approved for transport.
Now, documented origins determine accountability throughout every manufacturing stage ahead.
Premium grade only.
Beneath natural texture, keratin quality decides future luxury product performance worldwide.
Surface inspection looks clean.
Within seconds, careful cleaning prevents hidden contamination from spreading downstream later.
Temperature holding steady.
Across chilled storage, stable conditions preserve valuable structural integrity before shipment.
Inventory matches perfectly.
At this stage, inventory accuracy prevents costly interruptions throughout later production cycles. Within organized staging, balanced loading reduces unnecessary stress across transported materials.
Ready for loading. Clear pathway.
Here, disciplined logistics preserve product integrity before long-distance transportation begins.
Beneath efficient scheduling, transportation timing protects freshness and production continuity together.
Safe journey.
Beyond signatures, documented responsibility strengthens trust throughout international commercial partnerships daily.
Position looks perfect.
Under precise placement, stable cargo minimizes movement during extended transportation routes ahead.
Destination confirmed.
Beyond this journey, industrial precision transforms natural materials into globally trusted luxury products.
Estimated arrival remains on schedule.
Here, uninterrupted logistics protect premium materials before factory precision officially begins.
Everything matches today's delivery.
Now, accurate documentation prevents costly delays before receiving teams begin unloading operations.
Convoy spacing looks good.
Beyond individual vehicles, coordinated transport strengthens dependable international manufacturing networks every day.
Shipment verified.
Proceed.
Proceed.
Receiving dock ahead.
Across organized campuses, efficient layouts reduce transportation delays and operational congestion consistently.
Position confirmed.
Security seal intact.
Now, verified security confirms shipment integrity before factory receiving officially begins. Cargo looks excellent. Within refrigerated storage, environmental consistency safeguards premium materials before processing starts.
Load stable.
At this stage, careful unloading prevents hidden structural damage before inspection begins.
Maintain steady spacing.
Under coordinated movement, synchronized logistics maximize efficiency while minimizing operational interruptions. Across modern facilities, thoughtful design improves safety alongside manufacturing productivity every shift.
Production begins beyond these doors.
Beyond this entrance, scientific precision transforms natural materials into premium luxury products.
Here, disciplined factory systems prepare every material for accurate inspection and controlled processing.
Let's begin production. Another production day begins.
Here, certified infrastructure quietly guarantees consistency before skilled hands guide every transformation.
We're right on schedule.
Now, disciplined access protects operations while preserving safety across interconnected production departments.
Morning laboratory schedule confirmed.
Within transparent design, public confidence grows through visible commitment to disciplined manufacturing excellence.
Everything flows exactly as planned.
Across every department, coordinated movement quietly supports remarkable manufacturing efficiency without unnecessary delays.
Operations begin on schedule.
Everything remains within target.
Beneath constant monitoring, small adjustments quietly prevent larger manufacturing disruptions before they appear.
Cleaning line is prepared.
Beyond this doorway, preparation ends and transformation begins through carefully controlled industrial cleaning.
Startup sequence confirmed.
Now synchronized equipment quietly minimizes variation before critical cleaning stages officially commence.
Across integrated systems, coordinated engineering quietly supports reliable manufacturing every working hour.
Everything operates together.
Wash pressure remains stable.
Here, controlled washing removes unseen contaminants before precision grading permanently influences product quality.
Water quality remains excellent.
Now filtered circulation quietly protects cleanliness while conserving valuable industrial water resources.
Filtration performs within limits.
Beneath continuous filtration, microscopic particles disappear before contaminating later manufacturing operations.
Drying begins.
Here, balanced moisture quietly prevents deformation before valuable materials continue toward premium grading.
Moisture level meets specification.
Premium grade confirmed.
Here, exceptional materials earn priority through measurable excellence instead of visual appearance alone.
Dimensions remain within tolerance. Under calibrated inspection, consistent classification safeguards craftsmanship before irreversible industrial transformation.
Processing release confirmed.
Here, approved materials advance confidently because every critical inspection requirement has successfully passed.
Batch verification complete.
Now, synchronized verification prevents hidden production errors before irreversible industrial treatment officially begins.
Buffer conditions remain stable.
Beneath controlled storage, disciplined sequencing protects workflow before demanding industrial transformation finally begins.
Core processing area authorized.
Now, strict authorization prevents contamination before irreversible transformation reaches its most demanding industrial stage.
Rotation remains perfectly stable.
Den som outstat for arterial below spit slip on Rebecca.
Within constant monitoring, subtle corrections prevent quality variations before irreversible processing advances.
All operating values remain stable.
Sample collected successfully.
Here, verified samples confirm processing consistency before valuable materials continue toward transformation.
Conditioning cycle complete.
Beyond conditioning, strengthened fibers advance toward specialized treatment, defining luxury leather performance.
Treatment sequence confirmed.
Here, calibrated chemistry strengthens natural structure while preserving premium material integrity throughout.
Circulation remains stable.
Now, controlled circulation guarantees uniform treatment before craftsmanship reveals exceptional leather quality.
Temperature remains consistent. Beneath stable temperatures, microscopic fiber changes determine long-term strength and luxurious flexibility.
Every process remains within limits.
Transfer sequence complete.
Stabilization cycle begins.
Beyond stabilization, refined structure prepares premium materials for flawless luxury finishing and craftsmanship.
Climate conditions remain optimal.
Now controlled conditions preserve material consistency before advanced finishing enhances premium appearance permanently.
Here, verified conditioning ensures exceptional consistency before premium finishing reveals natural elegance completely.
Surface condition fully approved.
Finishing department ready.
Now seamless transfer protects craftsmanship before finishing creates signature luxury appearance and character.
Surface preparation looks consistent.
Pressure remains perfectly balanced.
Now controlled polishing reveals lasting elegance while protecting structural integrity beneath every finished surface. Coverage remains completely uniform.
Edges meet premium standard.
Matched components verified.
Here, accurate pairing preserves premium consistency before precision manufacturing creates luxury products permanently.
Final structure locked in place.
Here, final integration unites every precision step into a complete luxury crafted identity.
Now final refinement ensures visual perfection before strict quality approval certifies excellence.
Surface finish meets premium standard.
All parameters fully approved.
Traceability data fully synchronized.
Shrink seal consistency stable.
Here, protective sealing locks durability before final export verification begins.
All weights within export tolerance.
Now precise measurement guarantees compliance before global logistics coordination begins.
Pallet formation complete.
Here, automated stacking transforms finished products into export-ready logistics units. Here, security sealing guarantees full traceability from factory to international destination.
Cargo seal verified and registered.
All units are en route to distribution hubs.
All shipments cleared for international distribution.
Now regulatory approval ensures seamless movement across international trade boundaries.
All pallets routed to correct regions.
Here, intelligent sorting systems ensure precise delivery across global markets.
Now, final stage logistics connect production directly to global customer markets.
Final dispatch units fully secured.
Entire production cycle successfully completed.
Structural integrity remains fully stable.
Here, acoustic validation confirms hidden structural uniformity within luxury materials.
No internal resonance anomalies detected.
All quality parameters certified and approved.
Brand imprint aligns perfectly.
Here, identity marking completes transformation into certified luxury craftsmanship.
Surface reflectivity is fully consistent.
No imperfections detected at touch level.
Here, human precision confirms machine perfection at tactile level.
End-to-end production cycle successfully completed.
Now completed craftsmanship enters global distribution, connecting factory precision to worldwide markets. Now origin and transformation merge into a single verified production history.
Every stage is fully traceable from origin.
All international standards fully achieved.
Here, certification confirms global compliance across every manufacturing stage.
End-to-end precision manufacturing fully completed.
From raw material to perfection, precision defines modern luxury manufacturing. Laboratory conditions fully stabilized.
Here, laboratory precision begins final verification beyond production standards.
Grain structure remains consistent across entire surface.
Now, microscopic evaluation confirms uniform craftsmanship at structural level.
Strength exceeds required industrial threshold.
Here, controlled stress validation confirms durability under extreme load conditions.
No surface degradation detected.
Now, chemical exposure testing ensures long-term protective stability.
Final certification complete. Product approved for global release. Now, full laboratory certification confirms absolute compliance across all global standards.
No gaps found in traceability chain.
Now complete traceability ensures full transparency from origin to export.
No visible or structural defects detected.
Here, final clearance confirms absolute manufacturing precision.
Environmental conditions stabilized for final release.
All quality systems unified and verified.
Master certification permanently locked.
Now final approval is permanently secured within global compliance archives.
Now the product stands alone as complete proof of industrial precision.
Here, precision manufacturing enters its final presentation stage for global markets.
Final packaging sequence initiated.
Product seated perfectly within protective structure.
Now, engineered packaging ensures safe global transport without compromise.
Here, global distribution begins its final physical movement stage.
All export units securely loaded.
All units successfully dispatched to global network.
Now production leaves the factory, entering worldwide distribution systems.
Every shipment is fully visible in real time.
All shipments successfully received at destination hub.
Here, global logistics completes its final physical transition stage.
Now global reach transforms manufacturing into worldwide presence.
Global distribution network fully operational.
All global supply routes have reached full completion status.
Here, global logistics achieves complete operational synchronization.
Now production concludes as industrial precision returns to silence.
And that's exactly how black bullhorn leather is made from raw material to your hands.
Here, global industry transforms into quiet completion and lasting legacy.